This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Monopoly Go app not loading or not opening. So if you're trying to open your Monopoly Go app but the app is not working or not loading, follow these easy and step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your phone can fix these kind of issues. So restart your Android or iOS device and then check the issue. The second solution is close the Monopoly Go app from recents. All you have to need just open your recents or active in background page, and from here you have to remove the Monopoly Go app. Once done, relaunch the Monopoly Go app and then check the issue. The third solution is update the app. Go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Monopoly Go. If you see any update available, then update the app and then try to relaunch the app. And the fourth solution is search for the Monopoly Go app, long press on it, tap on app info, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data. Once done, hope any of this solution will fix Monopoly Go app not loading or not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.